So when cutting this, all I've used is a straight edge and a couple of hobby knives. Just got to be careful, you have to score it both sides. If you use 1mm thick Lexan sheet, be much more easier. And when gluing it, obviously very careful. When you put this together, you'll find that you won't get any gluing in this corner here down this edge. Make sure you glue right away from the edges, otherwise it will squeeze out onto the glass, onto the screens, and stain it. So that's that. And on the inside bit, if you get a piece of plastic corner from a bottle or something similar, oh, there it is. Right, okay, so I've cut this from the corner of a plastic bottle and I've glued it into these curved glazed areas. I've got to do the same on the other side, and what you end up with basically is a nice finished detailed sort of scratch resistant screens. As you can see, there's a plastic bottle inside there on that corner there. It covers it in nicely, makes it complete. So I've got one more to stick on now. It looks a lot better. Let's have a look. Okay, so you've got to be a bit careful with this. So I generally just go along the edge, outside edge, but right near the very edge. Just you just don't want it squeezing out onto the plastic because it will stain it. Okay, and just need a little bit. Just finishes off the roof nicely. Right. Also, you've got to be careful not to get on your fingers as well. And it's a case of just putting it in and poking it up inside. Oops. That's that. There you go. Push that into there carefully and just hold it in for a couple of minutes and it will stay in place. There you go. So that's that. That's the finish you get. I think it looks a lot better.